Our thoughts and our feelings, they drag us out of our entrenchment in self. Then we are in our thoughts or in our feelings, but we are not present to ourselves. And most of us are not present to the other as well. You ask them, what have you heard them say? You don't know. Because you have not been present. But if you have been present, you will understand everything that they have said and what they have not said also. Because they are relating from an experience. That is what it means God is. He is so very present to us. You cannot hide anything from God. He knows us through and through. We don't know ourselves through and through. But the more we become present to ourselves, yes, we will become present to our heartbeat, to our breathing. That is the depth. Then when you bring this depth to others, there is life, there's an experience, there's an encounter. And God has told us He's with us till the end of our time. So there's never a moment when God is not with us. We are not with Him because we are in our ego self. We are in our thoughts, we are in our feelings, we are in the past, in the future. We are not real. We have to be real and to be present. And then when we do this, we will really be rested. We are rested in God who is. My dear sisters and brothers, what will this do to us? We will experience heaven on earth. We have been praying this every day, but we are not living it. Let us pray today that we be able to live and to be ready to die for what we live. As Jesus has shown us, it is not very difficult. Because when He is there, He says, my yoke is easy, my burden light.